What is Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO? These are instruments or payloads associated with various lunar missions, primarily from India's Chandrayaan-1 and some from NASA missions like the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO. Here is a brief description of each. 1. Terrain Mapping Camera. TMC is an instrument used to capture high-resolution 3D images of the lunar surface. It helps in mapping and understanding the terrain of the Moon. 2. Hyperspectral Imager. HYSI is designed to capture hyperspectral images of the lunar surface. It can provide detailed information about the composition of lunar materials. 3. Lunar Laser Ranging Instrument. LLRI is used to precisely measure the distance between the spacecraft and the lunar surface by bouncing laser beams off the Moon's surface. This helps in studying the Moon's topography. 4. High-Energy X-ray Spectrometer. HEX is designed to detect high-energy X-rays emitted by the Moon's surface. It can help in understanding the composition and distribution of elements on the lunar surface. 5. Chandrayaan-1 X-ray Spectrometer. 6 was one of Chandrayaan-1's payloads. It was used to study the Moon's surface composition by detecting X-rays emitted by elements on the Moon. 6. Near-Infrared Spectrometer. SIR-2 is an instrument used to study the lunar surface in the near-infrared range. It provides information about the mineral composition of lunar soil. 7. SubKev Atom Reflecting Analyzer. SARA is an instrument designed to analyze the interaction of low-energy charged particles with the lunar surface. It helps in studying the exosphere and surface composition. 8. Miniature Synthetic Aperture Radar. MINISAR is a radar instrument used to map the Moon's surface and search for water ice in the permanently shadowed regions of lunar craters. 9. NASA's Moon Mineralogy Mapper. M3 is an instrument on NASA's Chandrayaan-1 mission. It was designed to study the mineral composition of the lunar surface, particularly the presence of water and hydroxyl molecules. 10. Radiation Dose Monitor. RADAM is an instrument used to measure the radiation levels in space near the Moon. It helps in assessing the radiation environment around the Moon. These instruments have contributed significantly to our understanding of the Moon's surface, composition, and environment through data collection and analysis during various lunar missions.